Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin camper along with Zena the Glamper camper. Today we are camping at about 7,100 feet in beautiful Flagstaff, Arizona. Take a look at our campsite. And on the way here, we tried out a brand new kitchen appliance for the camper, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. Now the reason I wanted to try out this rice cooker is so that it can cook while we are driving. And since we'll be driving, it will not use any of the battery. Now this is everything that comes in the box. You get a warranty thing, a little cookbook, a lid, a measuring cup, the inner bowl, and the actual rice cooker itself, along with a spatula that you can use to scoop out the rice. Now the first step is just to wash off everything with some warm water. So I'm just washing everything off. And then inside of the rice cooker, to make white rice, you just put in 1 full scoop of white rice, and then you fill it up to the line with your water. Now nowhere in the book does it say how long this is going to take to cook, so I am interested to see how long it's going to be before the rice is nice and fluffy. And this ended up being on for about 20 minutes, and right after it turns off, it'll go on to warm. I'm going to take out our rice and save it for later. Now this rice cooker is super easy to clean. It's super non-stick and everything just comes right off. There were a couple issues though, and the first one was that water got under the blue part of the lid. When it was boiling over like this, I had to lift up the lid to let some steam out, and it was spurting out water everywhere, so I actually ended up having to cover it up with a towel. And like I said, after it's done cooking, it automatically goes on to the warm setting. Well, we just had to get up and show you that really cool fog down the mountain. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you liked it. Make sure to check out this product. It's definitely worth the money. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.